did surprise me a little bit when you stuck that camera in there before it was ready. I wonder if that's supposed to be a salute in there.
Could be. If that starts coming back.
Shit, that's a nice rocket.
Wow. That was nice.